Hello and welcome to brick tip number 59. If you enjoy seeing our videos about designing with Lego, please consider supporting us on Patreon. You're probably wondering why I had this spinning at the beginning of the video. I had an issue with the carousel where I needed a very sturdy round shape. My initial idea was to use the curved brick roads that I made and make the platform out of that, but I do not have enough slopes to actually make that shape. So I had to go with plan B, and that's where this solution presented itself, where I thought about cross-hatching bricks to make them more sturdy. Before I go any further, I'm going to spin this and see if I can finish this video before that stops spinning. Okay, so this is very simple. It relies, as always, on Lego geometry, where if we space headlight bricks or bricks with studs on the side 3 apart, and then the spacing in between for the width is 2 bricks and a plate. If we do that on 2 different pieces, with the headlight bricks we have the holes on the end, and the stud on the side bricks have the studs facing up. We put those together, we create a very strong shape, and if we twist that, it is not going to bend. We have a very, very sturdy shape. So this is a really quick idea on how to cross-hatch bricks to create a really strong wall or surface. It's still spinning. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Join the conversation on Facebook and our other social feeds. Bye-bye.